According to sources, Anti-Narcotic Task Force East Khasi Hills District intercepted one EcoSport bearing registration number ML05U 1782 at Jingking Demthring at around 6:15 p.m. on the 31st of July 2022 and recovered 40 soap cases containing 559 grams of heroin from the vehicle driven by Shania Kharmauplang, 19 years of age. His accomplice, Daniel Nongrum, 20 years, of Nongra Nongpadeng, was immediately apprehended and was his Pulsar bike bearing registration number ML05S9546. Working on credible intel, the task force managed to apprehend Srimati Esther Ramanaik, 37 years old, from her home in Madanrating, Thambasuk, Block F, along with rupees 44,200 in cash. Two other couriers, Sri Robinson Mar, 19 years, of Bangkon, Azol, and Sri Letminden Dongal, 30 years, of Tubong, Churachandpur, Manipur, were also arrested, and a Mahindra Bolero bearing registration number AS03M9080 and a Suzuki Berkman Scooty ML05W9432 were seized, along with rupees 2,19,510 in cash. 6 mobile phones have also been seized from the 5 people arrested. Rinja Police Station has opened an NDPS Act case for further investigation.